I take one bill to the National Assembly, which intentionally some people refuse to take the bill, that we need to create accusation training in each and every our
skills acquisition training
in each and every our learning institutions.
So as you are graduating, you have
you have a handwork to do. Just what you government will do will provide the capital for you or equipment.
And you start immediately.
You start immediately.
Oh!
Because government cannot, as this system is going, government cannot employ everybody. But when they give you capital, instead of this budget, we put at least 1 trillion every year for that purpose.
For skills acquisition,
for that and capital empowerment. You will never see this crime from our youth. Because when you are doing that, then gradually you are engaging the people that they never go to school and giving them the training and employing them.